There we go. I'm Sonny.
I'm Steve.
I'm from Texas.
I'm from Australia.
Yeah, Texas.
We just met like 2 weeks ago and wrote this song 4 days ago. Hope you guys like it.
I'm singing live on radio 2 nights ago, so
Yeah.
I hope you like it.
Sometimes life gives you a messed up hand, you deal with it, you don't walk away. We've all got a special story to tell, you can tell your kids one day. How you started out with nothing and everything was rough, and you never win if you don't play. You gotta take what you're given and keep your soul driven, cause tomorrow is a brand new day. I'm not gonna give up, ain't nothing gonna slow me down. When things get messed up, you gotta turn it all around. You make your own luck, what goes around comes around. You make your own luck, what goes around comes around. If the good Lord's willing and the creeks don't rise, I will burn in hell one day. I'm out of this hole I'm so deep in, and get my head screwed on straight. Yeah, if I stop this bleeding, I never stop believing, cause the good Lord pays my way. Things happen for a reason, I don't always believe. I've never seen the forest for the trees. I'm not gonna give up, ain't nothing gonna slow me down. When things get messed up, you gotta turn it all around. You make your own luck, cause what goes around comes around. You make your own luck, what goes around comes around. I'm not gonna give up, ain't nothing gonna slow me down. When things get messed up, you gotta turn it all around. Cause you make your own luck, what goes around comes around. Cause you make your own luck, what goes around comes around. Thank you very much.